Here's the app called Aesthetic Kit Photo Widget. So one of those apps where you can install a lot of widgets, a lot of wallpapers. Featuring iPhone app icon sets, widgets, still 4K live wallpaper, keyboards, fonts, regular updates, weekly new app. So 10,000 plus app icons, 1,000 plus iPhone themes, 1,000 plus full background theme, 1,000 plus widgets, super fast and easy. And then yeah, here you can then just have it. And then yeah, here it is. Then the app needs calendar access. Well, probably you only need it when you use this kind of widgets, but then you have all the widgets. You have small, medium, and large widgets which you can install. Then there are also lock screen widgets which sometimes require your health data. And then yeah, you can just go and install them. And then there are wallpapers, themes, and then GoPro. So yearly plan is only $10 per year, so this is a really cheap app actually. And then there is weekly plan, which is only $5 per week. So $5 per week, that's basically the idea. And so that's what you have. But then there is a lot of free content, but it's like really cheap app, as you can see. So yeah, quite nice. It's not in top charts, but it's a very cheap option. I guess it's one of the cheapest apps where you can just pay $10. And when you pay $10, you can just yeah, get a lot of stuff.